Alright, this is Total Geek, and we're back with our third video in our series with Nightingale. And we're just going to pick up right where we left off. So let's get into it.
Okay, I don't know what being wet. I mean, it's obviously in red. It's not good, but I don't know what the penalty is. Maybe we'll find out. Okay, so we're just going to keep going. And we're... Oh, what? I mean, I'll take all the wood, but I have no idea what caused that. Okay, I'm getting over encumbered, but... So we'll probably get this and head back to base to drop off stuff. Explosive grenade. Sling bow. Explosive marble. See, it all disappeared. Okay, so let's go back to our base, drop stuff off.
This is Total Geek the editor, and we're just going to drop some stuff off and do some cooking and get ready to go back out. We'll pick back up once we get all that done, and we'll return you to your normally scheduled Nightingale playthrough. Thank you.
All right. Need to figure out what I missed, but it's gonna bug me. But for now, let's head over there. I believe you can play third person, but I don't know. There's just something about first person that I like. All right, we're gonna go back over here because I'm definitely missed something, and that's gonna bug me. It's going to bug me. I don't know if it bugs you guys. Very Alice in Wonderland Mad Hatter for sure. You even got the little teacup. That's got to be a nod to Alice in Wonderland. Okay, item's broken. All right, so I forgot. You can't use your umbrella and those at the same time. And I'm getting hungry again. Okay. I don't like... Oh, okay. If you right click, it just automatically shoots. I'm not a big fan of that, but okay. Whoa, hey. That's not fair. Oh. What? Okay, we're just gonna head down this direction. Right over here. Twine? Seems good. Trout and ink. Don't know what any of this is, but we're taking it. quartz. Okay. Onward. Onward. We will explore. Little piggies. Oh. I'm not gonna. I don't want to mess with. I don't. Okay. I've got to kill you now. I didn't want to. But you guys. You did that. You did that. But I'll be more than happy to take some bacon. Bacon sounds amazing right now. Sounds amazing. Okay. This away. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, spiders. Okay. So I'm definitely here, but I have no idea what to do. Interesting. Okay. Activate. So do I that and that? Okay. But I don't see a treasured item. Do you guys see a treasured item? Because I'm not seeing anything. Over encumbered again. I think I need to drop them all. Oh, maybe? Can't even jump. Little bunny rabbits. I wonder if it's underneath there somehow. Oh, look at me. Not looking, not paying attention. Recovery can be applied to a main hand tool from your inventory. Okay, so we'll figure that out. All right, so let's head back to base again. And then we'll take a break and I'll come back and we'll pick up here. I wish you could pick up arrows you shot. Like if you miss, a lot of games will let you do that, Skyrim Oblivion style. But, okay. They're not too hard to make, so you can make a lot of them. So I get why, but just one of those things. Just one of those things. Whoa. What was that? Okay. Definitely got Princess Mononoke, Spirit of the Forest type vibes from that. All right, through the forest we go. All right, back where I was. Might hurt. All right, good deal. Didn't hurt. Okay, this kind of guessed that, but all right, good deal. What is that? What is this? Okay, I like the umbrella. That's a cool little glide. Kind of Enshrouded got the glider. We've got the umbrella. I get it. I like it. Well, that's cool. I can... Whoa, whoa! Okay, that could have been real bad. That could have been really bad. Oh, hey, buddy. Little hit. Hammer. Get some fish. Berries. Can't get the bucket. Okay. Now we're going to head to an island. It's a good thing I got this umbrella for the rain. Hey, spiders, how about we not mess with you right now? I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I didn't want to fight you. For now, let's just leave them alone. I don't need to loot. Okay, let's follow the shoreline for now. This is not good, guys. Can I? Yep. Okay, I'm about to die. Okay, that was dumb. I didn't like that. I didn't like the fact that that swimming is like so bad, but looks like I keep everything I had, so that's not bad. All right, back at it once again. I'm sure there's a way to get stamina, like level up. I'm hoping. Okay, I didn't mean to end up down here, but Okay, let's start over here. Okay. So basically, swimming is very dangerous. Just kind of silly, but okay. We're just gonna head back to where I died. Because it looked like I had everything. It doesn't. I don't see where I'm missing anything. So I don't know why it's got a death marker unless it just helps you keep track of where you were. Into the water I go. I do like the death marker to kind of lead me. And I'm going to do some research, but I know there's got to be a way on the map to be able to set waypoints so that I kind of know where I'm headed without having to check the map every 2 seconds. This is new. I haven't been here before. Oh, hey, guys. Hey, whoa, hey, 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 hey. Hey, Puck, you're just gonna sit there? Watch me have to deal with these guys? Okay.
No pearly gates for you just yet, my friend. Though this Zephyr would prefer to whisper over your bones, I have tasked it with your preservation. Should you perish, it will whisk you away and revive your spirit. Of course, the Zephyr is tasked only with rescuing you. The contract is very literal about that, though I have asked it to try to preserve your modesty and what tools it can. However, the disquieting sensation of death will linger afterward, so tread warily.
Okay. So that explains that. Okay, so let's keep heading this way. And just see if I left anything. Uh, I don't see anything, so... Okay. Okay, what am I about to get into? I don't know what the crowns are, so let's find the item first and then we'll head over there. The old fishing pole, alright.
To open when you need a little home. Ainsley, if you open this, I suppose you're missing me, or missing home at the very least. Home is good, calm. I hope you found some calm too. Hope you're safe. Not certain where you are right now. Never did care for those portals or bother to understand how those realms worked, but you did. My magical prodigy. How a simple fisherman like me raised a gifted child like you, I'll never know. But I'm proud of you. If I'm honest, I'm not certain what to write you. You were always better with words. I just knew to keep you fed and read you bedtime stories. Maybe that's why you left. I fed you adventure too young. But that's a selfish thought, isn't it? You should be out there learning, exploring. You were born for it. I'm happy you're following your dreams. Anyway, I hope you're doing well. Miss you. Think of you every time I cast a line. Still got the rod? Cast it and think of me too. Love, your father.
How sweet. We got some more fish, guys. We got some more fish. Okay. So let's see what this crown is. That sounds like a lot of death. I don't want to be any part of that, whatever that was. But apparently I'm going to have to go that way. Oh, hey, big boy. Hey. No, I don't want any part of that. Please stay over there, sir. I'll just keep hitting you with arrows. Okay, that was fun. Well, we know what the crowns are now.
You have brought this creature its death, but wonder you how such a beast was born. The influence of the lesser Fae is ne'er seen more strongly than in the mortal lives they twist. Much like yourself, these curiosities found themselves enmeshed in magical workings they could not fathom. Released from some hapless ritual or another, they returned home to find they were no longer quite kin to the rest of their kind, changed irrevocably from what was. The question you must ask when next you hunt a fabled one is this: are you putting this creature out of its misery, or destroying something singular?
Probably a little bit of both. Probably a little bit of both. Okay. I think that's all of the treasured items. So let's go to the place of power. The site of power. We're going to travel back to our base, drop stuff off, and then we're going to go see what this is. What is this site of power? Okay, I think now is a good time to take a break. So before we head to the place of power, I'm going to take a break. So we're going to cut here, and next time we pick up, we will be heading to the site of power. So what do I do? How do I... So if I quit... I just want to make sure I can get back in. Because if I have to start all over, that's going to stink. Okay, so if I just do this and resume. Okay, so I can get back in. All right. So we're going to cut here. So this has been Total Geek Package. This is my first playthrough of Nightingale. Loving it. Like the direction it's going. It's been fun. And next time we pick up, we're going to be heading to the site of power, guys. The site of power. Let's go.